Thank you for coming tonight, class. It's nice to see every one of you here. And we're going to review tonight the body parts, which you learned last week. So I'm going to start with that and review. We're going to review just a few of these words that you learned last week. And I'm going to do it by starting here on the board with this. And then what do we have that's right here? What is this? It's an eye. We have an eye. And then we have a...
In this low beginning adult ESL class, instructor Mark Gable begins the lesson with a review of previously studied vocabulary.
Mouth, the whole thing. Hands, and these ears. Remember that Z sound, and eyes. We better put something in there, huh? So it's looking somewhere. And this is nose and mouth. Very good. Those are all the vocabulary parts we had from last time. Touch your nose.
Mark continues the review with some simple commands that the students have already learned.
Touch your nose. Touch your eye. Touch your right eye. Ha-ha, right eye. Very good. Touch your right hand with your left hand. Touch your left hand with your right hand. Touch your right hand with your left hand. Touch your left hand with your right hand. Touch your right hand with your left hand. Right hand, left hand, right hand, left hand. Right. Excellent. Excellent, teacher.
Mark now introduces the new lesson.
We're going to go to the doctor's office, okay? So that's why I have this here. That's why I have the doctor's jacket here. Feel like a doctor now. I brought the doctor's jacket and stethoscope in as real objects, props, I guess it's called realia, to focus the students' attention on the lesson. If speak English or read or write, they still know what the lesson's about because they can see what's going on in front of them from the real props. And this is my stethoscope, huh? I use that to listen. Or you will use that to listen to your heart. Listen to my heart. Oh, I don't hear it. Oh, it's on the other side. This is the purpose of the lesson. We're going to learn following doctors' directions, huh? Following doctors' directions.
Mark concludes the introduction by stating the lesson objective. He begins the presentation stage of the lesson with two volunteers.
Take a deep breath. Hold it. Hold it. Exhale. Take another deep breath.
The class watches and listens as Mark and the two volunteers model the responses to the series of related commands.
Take a deep breath. Hold it. Hold it. Exhale. Okay, now open your mouth. Stick out your tongue. Say ah. 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 Good. Okay, close your mouth. You don't like to leave your mouth open. Close your mouth. Let's try that one more time. Now open your mouth. Stick out your tongue. Say ah. Ah. Good. Now close your mouth. Good. Now hold your finger in front of your nose. About 6 inches in front of your nose. Move your finger to the left. Kinesthetic learning is the best and the quickest learning. That you remember best if it's learned kinesthetically, physically, you do it. That's another reason all the commands are actions, and they're easy to repeat. So every word is learned with an action.